Now, depending on where I am exactly within my drawing area, the form and function of my cursor may change. Once I move outside of the drawing area, for example, my cursor reverts back to the common arrow-headed shape and allows me to go along my various menus and choose a command. If, on the other hand, I move my cursor over to the right, where my properties palette is docked, I get a cursor tip that allows me to reshape and resize my palette width. Once we start drawing, however, our cursor will change into the shape of a crosshair. The small box in the centre of the crosshair is called the pick box or the gravity box. So I'm just going to draw a quick rectangle here and hit enter. Now what you'll notice is as well is that as I move my crosshair and my pick box along the boundaries of my object, certain gravity or snapping points are being shown. So the crosshairs also allow me to navigate to precise points within my drawing. If I want to change the size or shape of the crosshair itself, I'm going to hit first of all Escape to exit out of the rectangle tool. And at the bottom here in my command prompt window, I'm going to type Options to open up our option box and now hit enter. So under System Options, Graphics area, we can choose the length of the arms of our crosshair. At the moment this is set to 5, meaning that the width of our crosshair is 5% of the screen width. I could of course change this to 20% for example. If I go down to User Preferences, Drafting Options, Display, Gravity Box, I can actually change the size of the gravity box or pick box itself. So I'm just going to make this a little bit larger to show you how this works. By default, the width of the gravity box is set to 3 pixels, but you can choose anywhere from 0 to 50 pixels. So let's just click on Apply and OK, and I'm just going to go and enter out of this. Choose my rectangle tool again, and you can see I have now a much larger gravity box and much wider crosshair width.